Good morning, this is what we woke up to. That's Big Blue down there. And there's about a foot of snow, fresh snow on the ground from the storm we had yesterday and now today. And here's our view. So today it's so deep that Sarah's strapping in to go ski to work. There's about a good foot of snow, so it's just easier to ski.
Winter Wonderland.
Here we go, Sarah's going off to work. So here we are at Sarah's snow farm, and that's the greenhouses right there, and that's her office right in there, in that building. Here's a closer look. These are the solar panels right here that power the farmhouse where Sarah's office is. These are the two greenhouses right here, and back behind that small hoop house is where they keep the compost. Sarah's favorite part. And this is going inside the office. She's starting a bunch of seedlings for a spring plant sale here. And that's her workspace. So Sarah's gonna attempt to open the door here. See how well that goes. You need a shovel?
Maybe.
Yeah, I'll go grab you a shovel. So here's the house right here. As we ski up to it. Here's the van. You can see fully snowed in here.
So this is the morning after the storm. You can see there's a solid foot and a half of snow on top of Big Blue. And everything is just covered in snow, including the trees. Absolutely beautiful out here.
What is yo justo? I mean, I like a lot or something?
Gusto!
Yo.
It's just afternoon and we're out for a little post-storm ski. And they've actually already groomed the trail, so it's fantastic. Fresh snow and brand new tracks, so we're cruising.
Good. Doing good?